Check out this severe thunderstorm just to my north. Now I'm really counting on this cell right here. If this cell doesn't do any development, then most likely I won't be hit by anything. But this is just too beautiful not to record. I do hear some rumbles of thunder already. So you can hear faint rumbles of thunder in the distance, and on the radar you can actually see the storm's outflow boundary. So the wind should pick up a little bit, but hopefully that'll form more storms. Lightning is really approaching. We just got put under a severe thunderstorm warning for this storm that's about to hit us right here. This shelf cloud thing that you're seeing right there. 60 mile an hour wind gust, quarter size hail. Ooh. Ooh, here comes some winds. Check that out. Crap, you're kidding me, dude. It's non-stop. It's because it's a developing storm. It won't stop intensifying. It stops and then it pours again. Loud lightning once again. This is literally awesome.